Hey, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a shortage of subscribers around these parts and won't kill you to subscribe. So before we get in there, let's hit that subscribe button. Smash it. Smash it. Hit the like button. Smash the like button too. Smash it. Comment, share. You know, if you got time. Whatever. Let's get her done. Hey nutballs, it's your handyman, handy hands and handymanliest handyman you ever seen. Handymanliest handyman you ever knew. It's the handyman. We got a little toilet problem here. It's running. They got the water shut off. We're gonna go in here and take a look, fix it. It could be a couple things. It could be the ball cock fill valve. Could be the flapper. Could be the flapper base. Who knows? Whatever it is, it ain't gonna be tough to fix because it's a toilet. They're always easy. Looks like it's completely drained out there. You can see there's no water in here. There's a couple things that be a problem here. It could be the ball cock. This thing here. It could be ruined and not stopping the water flow. When the water makes this float up, there's a stopper that goes on and it stops the water flow when it gets a certain height. Well, I don't think that's the problem. I think the problem is this flapper down here. You see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see there's I just don't think it's covering. I think what I'm going to do, that's a little tight. Space is a little tight here, but I believe it's leaking past that flapper. That thing looks decrepit. You can see here from the the wear marks, this thing's not sitting on there right. It's hard. It's supposed to be real rubbery and soft. It's hardened up. It's not in good shape at all. It's really old. It's disgusting as well. So I'm going to run over to the local hardware and pick up a new one. Probably going to take this one with me. Let's clean it up a little bit. My hands too. So we'll convene here back in a minute. Alright, we're back. Got a couple of things here. You can see right in there, that's rust. That is from the water. You don't see it all the way around the thing there. Just right there, that's where it's been leaking through. Been leaking through for a while. Everything else looks pretty good on this thing. Doesn't look like it's cracked. It's smooth. I'm gonna go and put this new flapper on and that should cure the problem here. Okay. Put it around the top of the hook. I can't even see. Okay, it's on. Put it around the top of the hook, snap it down on the bottom, grab the chain, drop. You gotta adjust this thing so that it will lift high enough and so forth whenever you're lifting it up. It's gonna go on this here. This handle has a bar, it comes out here. You want it to lift it up high enough to cause the flapper to stay up by itself. They had the other one up a little bit, so we'll try that. Turn the water on. We should know pretty quick how this is working. when this fills up, there's water flowing in here. That's going into the bowl to fill it the rest of the way up. Because when you flush it, it flushes low. And that runs water directly into the bowl to get it up to the level that covers the... There's a P-trap back here. And it gets it up to make sure that the P-trap is taken care of. Give it a test out here. Okay, that's working good. I don't hear any water running. Yep, see how it stays up? There's air in that little thing there. Air in that, and that allows it to hold up. Well, it seems to be working good. Functioning as it should. Good. And that, my friends, is a simple toilet repair. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Those people had water running constantly until they finally shut their toilet off. And I'm sure their water bill went up substantially because of that. But that's what happens. You got to shut them things off early, and that's why water leaks are important, especially if you pay for your water. That was an easy deal. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.